say I've never been in love before. The truth be told, it hurts when it's over. And starting over takes so much work. The casualties are worse. You think you never fall again. Lately, baby girl, I've been falling.
What's up, people? It's TK Paradza, and just want to give a big shout out to XBC Radio Kunakirwa for the support for us Zim artists, and yeah, man, much love for you guys. Well, I was born in Shirugwi. I've spent a lot of my life in Kwekwe, mostly Redcliffe. Went to school in Gweru, Middle Christian College, yeah, music for me started when I was like very young. I think I was 14, and we had this gathering at school where there was like a bunch of singers. So there was me, there was my friend Paida, and a bunch of her girlfriends, and we were at the hostels. And she started singing with a group, with her and Bembai, and they were doing this request a song type thing, and then they asked me, I should sing something, and then I sang I think it was All My Life by Casey and Jojo, and all the girls were like, ooh, you can sing, what. And yeah, I guess they went and told my our hostel parents, the Millers, and she was about to start like a little choir, hostel choir, and they put us all together, and at a school they were building this big hall for us, and then they were about to do an opening, and Mrs. Miller and everyone got together. We did a song called Happy Day, and she picked me to be the lead singer for the choir for that particular song. And came opening day. I had my first experience on stage. It was exhilarating. I loved it, and from then on I thought, you know, I really wanted to do it again and again, but never got the chance to, as much as I wanted to. And then through the years, met some friends who were into music. I met my friend Gerald in high school, my friend Sean, aka Stardust. We started making music in high school, and I only started taking it seriously when I came here in New Zealand, and that was about like 4 years ago, 4 or 5 years ago, and yeah, I've been really pushing myself hard and trying to get some music out. So, yeah, that's TK Paradza for me. So I thought I'd bring you out to one of my events, and in the background we have the band setting up, and tonight's event is Africa Music Day, and it's the first gig out of many that I'm going to be doing original songs from my album, and let's just hope it's going to be good. I think it's going to be good. Unfortunately, we can't bring you guys into the main show because we got other cameras coming to shoot, but yeah, you get to see me rehearse, and you get to see me like do my thing, and hopefully you enjoy it. Yeah. Mr. Liar is actually a very, I guess, personal song, and it came out, well, I wrote it about I think in 2009, that's when I wrote it, and obviously I was in a relationship at the time, and also like my friends were in a relationship at the time, and we were kind of going through the same things, and we had our little boy thing where we like talk about the crap that we were going through at the time, and it sort of inspired me to write Mr. Liar. And it would so happen that Stardust had this really inspiring beat that he just made, and it sort of went with the lyrics that I had come up with, and I wrote Mr. Liar, and then I applied for, because in New Zealand we have this thing called what's it called, NZ on Air grant, and they give artists a bit of money to help them shoot videos and stuff like that, only if the song is of great quality. So I had the chance to, I sent out my song to NZ on Air. They loved it, and they you know, funded the video for me, and we went and reached out to a really good director called Down Go from here, and came up with some great ideas, great concept. And at first I wasn't sure how he's gonna pull it off, because I had never done a video like before. So when we did it, and then it came out the way it did, and with the amount of people that came, a lot of them on the video are like my friends, and I know them, and they came out to support. We did the video, it came out great. We had these special effects, we had dances and everything, so it was like, it was amazing. This is the event that we're doing tonight. A headliner. Yeah, so this is the event that we're doing tonight, and got Sam Fran Bar. So we got all these acts going off tonight, so it's gonna be a really long show. Hopefully a lot of people, so we'll see how that goes. Right now I've just finished my I guess debut album. It's an album that I put together with a whole bunch of producers that I've reached out to, and some have reached out to me, and we had these songs and ideas together, and the sound, and it came out really, really good, I think, because Wallpaper was meant to be, how Wallpaper came about was just me being frustrated as to putting out all these songs, and you know, I didn't feel like people were actually hearing them, and I didn't feel like the industry people were hearing them, and I was like desperately needing to get signed and have a label backing. But so I just decided, let me just put this album together and put it out there, see how it does, see how many downloads it gets, and yeah, I did it all myself, and wrote all the songs on the album except for Got Me on Fire, which was written and produced by Tags and Pip Kimbo, and it turned out really great. Stardust is on there, DJ Roscoe is there, great producer called T-Collar is there. Yeah, it just gelled the way it came up. I pretty much put the album together in under 6 months, so you can imagine the drive that I had. So this is
DJ Dozen in the house.
DJ Dozen, the one that does a lot of we go on the road together, and yeah, we do a lot of shows together, so you'll see us during rehearsals as well, and we promote, come check this out, Safe Sex, people, Safe Sex, and with every, you know, pack you get like a piece of chocolate. So every event that we do, we bring these stuff so that people, you know, practice safe sex. Chinese condom.
Thanks.
Getting music out to the public is so difficult. Well, it really depends. It really depends. Like now the internet is a great source of getting music out there. It's like you have Facebook, you have MySpace, you have YouTube and all that stuff. But the thing is, it's for a targeted market. Like you people who don't have like things like Facebook or have a chance to check out YouTube just pretty much miss it. So I guess if you have a targeted market, it's not that hard. But then if you want to like reach out to the other markets that don't follow you and that you want to hear your music, it's difficult. Mostly the people that might help you get more, I guess, more people to follow you and your music is like blogs, social sites, like media sites, different media sites that that are out there, and that so it's more about, I guess it's more about about your context, really.
Just ain't right, no. So neither one of us should be thinking about letting go. I heard you, you heard me, we heard each other, so let's call it even. Said I heard you, you heard me, we heard each other, so let's call it even. Cause sometimes in life we lie to the one we love, and sometimes in life we fight, all in the name of love. Sometimes in life we cry, the one we love, sometimes in life we try to work it out in the name of love. We gotta work it out in the name of love.
This is Cuba Street, very popular street in Wellington for coffee, different people from everywhere. Hello. Okiora would be the word. Hey, oh, she's a star now.
I wanna take you on a journey.
Like, picture a room. Right, you have everything you need, everything that matters to you, everything that works for you. So those things represent the people around you. Those people represent the people who matter to you, who actually play a role in your life. And even if you come across them like once in a blue moon, they still make you feel good about yourself and tell you, hey, your music is great. So yeah, it's a bit of a double meaning with wallpaper.
Cute face, nice heels, so we like to jump.
Okay, me and TK will have one.
Stay with me, girl. Don't know what you're tonight. The only thing
I'm still upcoming, so I can't exactly give advice. But all I can say is, it's you have to be committed. You have to do it for the love, really. You have to do it to the point where you enjoy it, because you can't do something that you don't enjoy. And it's just really, it's like you have to do it for the thrill of the journey, because it's not so much the destination. It's like the thrill, like the journey that's most important. And for me, I love what I'm doing. I love the struggles. I love the achievements. Everything that I experience doing this, is I love it all. So you really have to just enjoy what you're doing and keep pushing, and don't let anybody stop you. Turn negatives into positives. If somebody tells you that you're not good enough, then tell yourself that I am great and I'm gonna do this no matter what they say, because I don't care what they say. It's about my dreams, not their dream. It's mine. So yes, at the end of the day, it's all about you. Push it.
Can I get vocals on the fallback, please?
So I found this Norman reading piano, and I thought I'd just freestyle something. A melody that I had in my head, so I thought I'd just put it down. Hope you like it.
It's been a year today, and I still miss you. It's been a year today, and I still dream about you. But what am I gonna do?
Drives me insane, and I don't know if I could ever handle the pain.
Well, I'm about to go shopping for record labels, so if there are any takers out there, locally or internationally, I'm looking for a deal, and hopefully take my music further and further, and keep making good music. That's the whole point of it all. Keep doing what I love, keep doing positive music, and I'll be doing keeping, and at the same time staying true to myself, staying true to where I'm from, Zimbabwe, and staying true to, you know, what I believe in, and that's a dream that I've had since I was like 14, ever since I first experienced that great stage moment at the MCC halls, and yeah, that's the future for me, just chasing the dream. That's my future.
Can't say I've never been in love before. Truth be told, it hurts when it's over, yeah. And starting over takes so much work. The casualties are worse. You think you'll never fall again. Lately, baby girl, I've been falling for you, and I guess I'm waiting for you to catch me, 'cause the hardest part of it is falling, and I know that you'll be waiting right there to catch me, 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 to catch me. So I'll be waiting for you to catch me, 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 to catch me. So I'll be waiting for you to catch me. Seems like I've been through this before, but now it's different, girl, 'cause now I truly believe in